Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about 3 experiments of the law of attraction for you to try. Number 3. In this experiment, you're going to picture your mind as a canvas. In this canvas, you're going to manifest and draw any object you might like. For example, let's say a car. Picture in your mind, in your canvas, purple car with a number 7 on the tail of the car. And by doing that, tell the universe that you're willing to see a purple car appear in your life with the number 7 on its tail. And this is a really fun experiment for you to do because it makes you analyze your surroundings and be prepared for whatever you're gonna see every day of your life until it manifests. And it's also a good tool for you to perceive what's happening around you better and with more attention and more detail. I've done it myself and I've manifested many times. So you definitely should try this one out because I believe it's really cool, really fun, quick, simple, and it can have a lot of positive benefits for you in your life. Let me know in the comments what you manifest. Number 2. This one is more of a emotional manifestation. But when you're feeling bad emotionally or stressed, try smiling for 20 seconds straight, really believing it for yourself. By doing this, you're gonna see how powerful just faking and trying to change your emotions really is. Number 1. In this one, you're gonna try to rub your hands for at least 1 minute until they get hot. When they get hot, just put them close to your face and to your mouth. You're gonna feel the tingles and the vibrations in it. But well, thanks for watching. I hope these ones really help you understand that the law of attraction exists. See you next time. Bye bye.